Okay, so now we're about to do the clutch fluid. And I'd recommend the .4 Liqui Moly brake fluid. You can go with 5.1, but normally you really don't need that. And the higher the rating, the actual, like, the more water it absorbs. So you're gonna have to flush it and bleed it, etc. more often. So .4 is good for like daily driving. You can track it a little bit. Just don't put it in your track car. Like .4 is not really designed for a strictly race car thing. It's designed to be mostly daily drivable, and then you can take it on occasional track days, autocrosses, mountain runs, etc., stuff like that. Okay, so I am going to be filling this back up before we bleed it some more. So I'm going to be the pumper of the pedal, and Brad's gonna be the player of the nipple. You heard that right. He's gonna be undoing and tightening the bleeder nipple down on the slave cylinder, and I'm gonna be up here pumping the clutch fluid, or clutch pedal. So that way we can build pressure and literally get all these air bubbles out, and this car will drive even better than it already does. For once in my life, I'm taller than Brad. Hey, Brad.
Hi, Sin.
Hi. So the procedure that we're going to be doing is about 5 pumps, and then I'm going to hold the pedal to the ground. Brad's going to open the bleeder, and then as soon as he closes it, I can pull it back up and pump some more, and we're going to do that until the pedal feels amazing. So here goes nothing. Yeah, it's not moving much. Bro, what are you doing? You smoking?
Oh, smoking.
That's so bad for you. You're gonna die. I mean, we're all gonna die, but
I'm just gonna die faster than you are.
I mean, you're like a lot older than me too. So you want to tell the viewers what size wrench to use?
8mm.
Okay, cool. You guys hear that? 8mm. Don't use any other size. Say that again.
5 times the hole.
Okay, pumping. 1, 2. Oh, you feel it in the clutch pedal when he releases the pressure. Do it again. Pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding. Oh yeah. Way better. I'd say probably a couple more times and it may be even better, because before I would press it and it would literally come up very, very close to the top and it wouldn't come up back all the way to the top. I'd have to like nudge it and then it'll come up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Holding. Yep. Oh, and always make sure to put more fluid in as well. We know we've got good fluid, we've got enough fluid because we've done this before multiple times, but always make sure you don't run out of fluid, or else you will have a hard time getting the air bubbles back out, because you're literally killing yourself in that regards. If you forget and you don't fill it back up, you're getting air bubbles through the entire line and you basically have to rebleed the entire thing. So if you guys look, the clutch pedal comes back all the way now. So we have fresh fluid and we have a really, really nice clutch pedal with full travel. So this car is going to drive even better. So you guys missed it. We went to the Honda dealership to get some studs, and Brad was in the passenger seat, and his head here. Let's say here's the windshield, and here's my head. His head was like up here, and he rolled down the window to spit out the car with the top down when he could have literally just went. But that's Brad for you. But we're about to do the wheel studs, or the wheel stud on that other side, and the front on this side. So Brad's taking this off to be able to get to that stud that's broken.
What is this that I'm taking off?
The rotor.
No.
You're not taking off the rotor?
I am, but right now I'm taking off the caliper bracket.
The caliper first. So Brad's taking off the caliper first, and then he's gonna take the rotor off, and then he's gonna do the stud. Ta-da! Ta-da! So that's the one that's broken. So all we do is just beat it out, and then wiggle it, and then get it out, and then put the new one in. Okay, so update, we actually can't take wheel studs off, and here's why. It literally just rubs right there. There's no room to actually take it out. And this one right here is actually just hitting and rubbing, and that's what the sound that I'm hearing. So yes, the wheel studs, you have to actually just take the whole entire hub out to get to, which sucks. Really bad. So now we are bleeding the brakes, all four corners, and flushing everything and swapping everything to .4 Liqui Moly brake fluid. Essentially, Brad's gonna help me from down here and pour the fluid in and everything, and I'm gonna just pump the brakes. In the S2000, the brake master cylinder reservoir is right here. Basically just twist it, pull it up, and that's how you know. So to get this flushing, pump 5 times and hold again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, holding. Oh, and then you feel the pedal go all the way to the ground. Good stream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, holding. Okay. Oh wow, I've never seen Brad use a ladder before. So he's basically going to be filling the reservoir, I don't know if you guys can see, right there with all the brake fluid. Since, yep, .4. Did you just drink that? Oh, close enough. Alright. And with a brake job, you basically go from the farthest caliper away from the master cylinder, make your way to the closest one. So in this case, we're going to do the rear right first, then rear left, right front, and then right left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, holding at 6.
Good stream with some bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, holding. Oh, that's good piston.
So we're gonna check to see if this car has an ABS bleed function with his high dollar scan tool. Is it? Can you see it? There it is. We found it.
Trash. What? What are we doing?
No, what are we doing?
So you can actually do a function test of your left and right, front and left and right rear solenoids on the ABS. So let's give this a shot. It says this structure test for ABS can be with the brake pedal feedback. Okay, we'll give her a shot. Hold the pedal.
Hold the pedal.
Hold the pedal.
Okay, hold it.
You're in neutral?
Yeah. Ooh, I feel it.
There it goes. Test is finished.
Is that just the first one?
Run to the right.
Okay, right front.
Yeah, do each individual one. Hold the pedal.
Holding the pedal.
Here we go.
You guys hear that? It like vibrates.
It's not vibrating.
It's Japanese made.
Here we go. All right.
All right, left rear. It feels weird. Right rear, good. You explain what that does?
Well, just make sure the actually ABS works on each solenoid, so that just in case you do have to slam on the brakes and you have to perform it, and it performs the ABS system. That way you know each solenoid is working correctly, so you should stop properly.
Should, because stuff happens. So thanks you guys for watching, and thank you so much for Brad for letting me use his shop and his lift and helping me a lot with the bleeding of the clutch, the brakes, and everything. We're gonna check into the wheel studs. We're actually doing the full hub assembly soon next time I come down, instead of just doing individual studs, just because it's just maintenance, preventative maintenance, and it really needs it anyways. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna put the wheels back on. And thanks you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys learned a lot, because I know I did. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bye, Brad.
See ya.